Hello to users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see the practical process for SWIFT CBA integration. Now, this is only used for international payments, so let's get started. So, as we download the application from the Odoo App Store, first of all, we will do the FTP syncing. For that, we will have created a demonstration for you. So here is the name of the FTP server, that is test URL, username, password, and port is mentioned over here, and the company is selected as you can see it over here. Next is the store. So here is the store that we created, and we have indulged it over here. Next is the bank journal. So here is a bank journal where you want to export your payment. So there are different options which you can select as per your requirements. Next is the file export path. So the file export path is what we have mentioned over here. I'll also show you the export path. This is the export path, as you can see, where we will export the payment. So here the payments will be exported, something like this. So this is all done. Now we will go and click on the check connection. After that, we will see this connected batch. If all the information that mentioned over here is properly synced, now we will go to the vendors. For that, we will navigate to our invoicing, go to vendors and go to the payments. So here will create the payments manually and see how it is exported. So let's create a payment. We will select a vendor. We will mention the amount over here. Here we have selected the bank journal, the payment method that is manual right now. Here is the charge bearer. So there are three types of charge bearer that we have mentioned over here. Is the one who will bear the charges. So as you can see, there are the different types of charge bearers over here, which we have configured as per the requirements, and we have selected them. Next is the transaction types. There are different types of transactions: priority payment, CBS payment, and international money transfer, which we have mentioned it over here. You can select any one of them. Next is the vendor bank account. So there are different types of bank accounts that are configured over here, which you can configure it as well. I'm selecting this bank account right now, and I will confirm this payment. After the payment is confirmed, you will see the export payment button over here, that is to CBA. Let's click on there. After you click that, the payment is successfully exported. So let's have a look. As you can see, the payment that I have made for the $50 is completely done and it is exported. Here is the export file, which is PP, and this is the format of the file. Now we will go to the server and check the same. So let's refresh it. So go back again, go over here, and as you can see, the payment is exported over here, which is a 43 number of payment. And here, as you go in, you will check this is the payment that we exported. So here is the payment details. We will see how the batch payments are exported. For that, we will create multiple payments. So I'll duplicate directly from here to show you. We will mention the different amounts. We'll change the transaction types as well. Let's confirm it. Also, the important information over here is batch payment will only work if the vendor bank accounts of both of the batches will be same. So if I'm adding 2 or 3 payments to my batch, my bank account should be same. So let's confirm this one. Now we'll go again, duplicate the same. Here we will select another, that is Money International. Now we will go to the vendor payments. There are 2 payments that we have recently created and which we have not exported yet. So let's click there. Here there are 2 batch payments that I want to create the batch about. So let's select it, go to the actions and go to the create batch payment. Here batch type is outbound, it is export one. Charge bearer is SHA. Maximum payments in single file. So here we have kept it in a way that we can export, or say we can export maximum 350 payments in a single file. So I can also mention it over here. If I want any 2 or 3 payments in a file, I can mention it over here. So let's see. Here is the payments. Here are the payments. Now let's validate it. On validating the same, we have getting the option to export the payment. So let's export it. Here the batch payment is export. Here batch out. Here is the file. So let's open the file. So here are 2 batch payments. As you can see, it is exported successfully. Now let's go to the server, go back and check it over again. Here is a batch payment that we just exported. There are 2 payments that we exported. It has all the details for the transactions that we just created. So this is how the payments are exported. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com. That is over here. Thank you.